today, finally get to show you guys. I've had this for a little bit of time now, but I want to make sure the car is actually like at least running before I show you guys. Finally got rid of the old race stars. They're gone. Nothing against them, but I just wasn't a fan of them anymore, and I needed to get some welds, and more importantly, some bead lock. I'm sure a lot of you are probably wondering why I got a Hoosier instead of a Mickey Thompson. Well, these are the Hoosier DBRs. They're basically the 305, I think 28 by 10.5 17s. And these things are apparently really good for no prep and the street. So I guess that tells you that I'm probably gonna go racing again, even though last time you were racing a lot of things went bad. But I think this time we have a way better setup. I'm actually ready to get back out there and see what this thing can do and put it to use. So that's why I figured these would probably be the best. Probably not best to daily on these, or really run around on miles, because they wear down a lot. But I think this is probably my best bet, just talking to a couple local, I guess, no prep people, and I know a couple of the GAs that have talked to me about running them. So I just feel like this is probably the best setup that I should go with. Now let's get into these welds real quick. Here we go, boys. Shoo, there she is. Oh, they're pretty freaking heavy, I ain't gonna lie. Let's put this on it. That looks pretty crazy. So I went ahead, I got the Weld Lagunas. Number one, they're a freaking budget wheel. Number two, they kind of look like the Billet Specialties, which is like my favorite wheel of all time. But I had to go with this one. I kind of wanted the Belmonts, but apparently they're like either on some crazy back order because they're like remaking them because of the offset. Like these were a 45, I think. They dropped them down to a 42. I wish they were a lot more deeper. I feel like they don't make these really deep at all. These 100% for sale. I promise you, I would sell them for, because I don't even have the front at this point. I'll sell you these wheels for 200 bucks, 100 a piece, with the tire and everything. On Instagram, meet me, come get them. I'll do whatever. 200 bucks. I want them gone. I have no clue these are actually going to fit. These things look humongous. So let's see. Yo.
What up, beefsteak?
Damn, you want to see this in person, or you want me to FaceTime you?
You gotta FaceTime. What you do?
I put the wheels on.
What?
Yeah.
She dirty? You clean her up? Like what?
Oh no, she's dirty. All right. All right, you ready?
Hold on. Let's see what we got, bro. Let's see what we got.
Oh, you didn't see what I just... Bro, you should have saw what I just did. But like from this angle, I like it.
Oh yeah,
I think it kind of it sets the no spoiler off, if you ask me. It makes it look like a lot more like cleaner. I don't know how it's gonna look with the front. I should back it up and pull it out.
Yeah, I think it looks good though, bro. Just sat in a little bit. It's going to probably sit in a little bit more too, you know what I mean? And
yeah, I was like that, not expecting.
What did you put them on? You just wanted to see what they wanted to look like?
I fixed the coolant leak, so
oh shit,
that means we could probably go for a drive tomorrow night. So
yes, sir.
So yo, that looks wild.
Yeah, it does look crazy, bro.
Yeah. Wow. Was not expecting that.
You still got the Pontiac center caps or no?
No. I think we lost a lot of them over the years. Let me see if my other wheel has it. Nope, she gone.
I'm glad you did the white out. Like I said, it's like
I'm gonna be honest.
The taillights and those rims go together so good, and that white letter and just.
If I didn't do the poll on my Instagram story, I probably would have went black.
Why did it stick out so far?
Wait, is this your first time seeing them?
Yo, this just sticks out way more than mine. You go pass inspection with them.
Nah.
Yeah, you didn't plan on going through there anyway.
Nah. I mean, I'll take them. I'll take.
A bigger tire than mine?
It's 10.5. So they're 20. The 28 by 10.5s are like almost three.
Oh, your rims are 28
3
by 10
10s. No, the tires.
What's your rim?
17s.
17 by 10s.
10s. A good picture of the wheels out here in the sun. It's the first real reveal I have for y'all. I like them, man. I think this is what I needed the whole time. I think the driver's side or the passenger side is rubbing already. We've been what, 10 miles?
Wow. Okay.
White letters. I should probably put some air in my front tires.
Definitely.
I got my pump. 1 bad 8, baby. Give me that follow. Ooh, look at that ram. She's a nice color. The one that Nardi had?
Oh, yeah.
I think these have grown on me so much.
Fire.
So these are the Laguna. 28, 10.5, 17 Hoosiers. And Hoosiers.
Yeah, these are fire.
Falling apart.
She ain't falling apart. A lot of cosmetic work.
We got I was surprised this thing ain't blow up. But this thing
down
is
there.
super hot.